morning, class. How are you? I'm quite fine. Now we continue with our subtopic about osmosis. Last time we learned that osmosis is the movement of water molecules from a region of low salt concentration to a region of high salt concentration, which is exhibited in plant cells and animal cells. At first we learned about osmosis in animal cells, specifically red blood cells. Now today, number 2, we shall be learning about osmosis in plant cells. How water moves in and out of the plant cell. Now, if a plant cell is placed in a hypotonic solution, it means in a weak solution, this cell will take in water. It absorbs water through the process of osmosis into the vacuole of the cell. As a result, the cell will increase in volume. Means the cell will be a little bit larger or bigger than normal. This process is referred as turgidity. When water inside the cell pushes outwards this cell wall, it increases in volume and it is called turgidity. This blood cell, if placed in a hypertonic solution, if placed in a higher concentrated solution, in a strong solution, hyper means strong or higher salt concentration. Now, it loses water. The cell will lose water through our process known as osmosis. The cell membrane loses turgidity. The membrane or cell membrane loses turgidity, then becoming plasmolized. This process is referred as plasmolysis, losing water in a plant cell, known as plasmolysis. The cell becomes flaccid. It loses its turgidity. Now from here, let's see our diagram there to represent our writings here. Let's take a normal cell. A normal plant cell looks like this. It is very good in drawing here. Now, we take the first place that if this plant cell is placed in a hypotonic solution, in a weak solution, this cell will absorb more water. It swells. This process is known as turgidity. That is, a cell becomes turgid, becomes bigger, it swells. I think you can see the diagram where it is already swelled here. And this vacuole will be larger than normal because it swells. Water inside the cytoplasm pushes toward the cell wall and it swells. This process is known as turgidity. Now if we summarize number 2, that a blood cell, when placed in a hypertonic solution, if it is placed in a strong solution, if placed in a solution which is strong with a higher salt concentration, it is known as hyper, means high concentration solution. Then the cell will be losing water through osmosis. The cell membrane will push away from the cell walls to come just inside here. It shrinks. This process of the cell membrane shrinking is known as plasmolysis. That is, cell membrane pulls away from the cell wall. Now, you will see that this is our nucleus, Here is the cell vacuole. This is our cytoplasm. Now here the vacuole becomes smaller because it shrinks, becomes smaller. Again, there's a nucleus here. This is a simple diagram showing the plant cell put in a hypotonic and a hypertonic solutions, and its result is plasmolysis or turgidity. Now let's learn what is the importance of turgidity in plants. All the process of osmosis in general in plants was its importance. This is very important process because it gives support to plants. Now we try to write about 3 points supporting osmosis in plants. That it assists absorption of water from the soil by the root hairs of the plant. It assists or facilitates absorption of water from the soil by the root hairs. Number 2, osmosis is very important because it makes the cells turgid and strong. In this case, giving support to plants. It gives a very good support to plants. Number 3, osmosis is very important in plants because it is involved in opening and closing of stomata. These are tiny pores in the plant leaf where water evaporates or excess water is lost in the atmosphere. So these are the 3 important facts about osmosis in plants and its importance. Finally, we come to see now factors that affect osmosis or that affect the process of osmosis in plants. First is concentration gradient, concentration difference between liquids or solutions in the plant. That difference makes water to move in and out of the cell. Number 2, this factor is temperature. With high temperature, osmosis also is high. Number 3, it depends upon the surface area of the plant. In a small area, osmosis is very high, but in a large surface area, osmosis will be slow. These are the 3 factors that affect the process of osmosis in plants. Up to this point now, we come to the end of osmosis in